To fix the problem where you cannot reset your Honor Earbuds X8, first thing is to make sure that your case as well as the earbuds is charged. So if you open your case, then there's a light, and if there's no light, that means your case is out of battery and you need to charge it. So do it, wait around half an hour, and then when it's charged, you can try to perform a reset. Now, next thing you need to make sure is that both of the earbuds are either inside of the case or you are wearing them. And if you're wearing them, a reset may take longer, but I prefer a method when both of the earbuds are inside of the case. Now we can pay attention to the LED lamp right here, and if we click on the touch panel right here and hold it for around 10 seconds while looking on the LED lamp, we'll see that the reset is happening, and when there's a red light, that means the reset is finished. And that is all that I wanted to share.